G'day folks, welcome back to Shotgun Versus. Today we're going to be looking at another piece of technology. I'm determined to find something other than a monitor that can actually stop this stuff. No luck yet, but maybe we'll have some success today with a CPU tower. It's fully equipped with a lot of old hardware, but it's still in there. So you've got the optical drive, you got hard drives, motherboard, everything in there. So there's layers upon layers of metal, aluminum, plastics, and some really thick pieces of equipment like the battery, the hard drives, and the optical drive. So I'd say it depends on where we hit it as to whether this is going to go through. If we hit just where the side is, and just hit the side and the motherboard, I think I'm going to punch through this like a hole punch. But if I hit where the battery is up in the top here, or up at the front here where all the optical drives are, I think I'm going to have a lot harder time punching through it. So we're going to take a few shots in different parts, one at a time, and we're going to see what kind of an effect the birdshot has in different spots on the tower. So, let's get to it. Alright, so there's the center punch. So let's take a look and see if we got through it. But I gotta say, that's impressive. I think that might nullify my other tests. Because you can see here where the birdshot hit, and it punched right through it. No problem. And if we look at the back here, there's a huge dent here where the shot hit the other side of the metal, right here, but it didn't go through. That's pretty impressive. So, probably the weakest spot I could have hit it, and it still didn't go through. So, yeah, that's pretty good. Let's see if another shot will punch through it. See if I can hit it in the same spot. It's hard to do when you're shooting 100 pellets at something. Alright, so with the computer tower, it took 2 shots to go through it, and even then only barely. So that's a pretty tough target. Well, if you've been following my channel long enough, you know what we do around here with tough targets. We introduce it to Mr. Tannerite. So that's got 10 explosive targets in it, which is more than I used for the monitor video. So I stress, do not try this at home. I am both a professional and somewhat out of my mind. These are very real explosives, very real guns, obviously, and a target with a lot of metal in it. So, yes, this is dangerous. Do not try this at home. That's more like it. So, once again, tore through the front part of the case pretty easily, and the explosives blew it the hell off of the computer, just destroyed the inside, and blew the door off the back. That's more like it.